Hey, what's going on? It's B the Installer. I've been installing TVs and smart home products for over 15 years, and while a majority of my work results in families watching a new movie or the big game together, many times I'm asked to install the latest and greatest in smart home security. And today, with the video sponsor Eufy, I'm super stoked to show you this awesome new E8530 Video Smart Lock Kit. And this is such a timely review because as a family man, I've been in the market for a video doorbell and a smart lock to help keep my family safe and secure. And I'm sure, like all of you, these products need to be convenient if accepted by those in the house that are less technical. And the new Eufy Smart Lock Kit is exactly what I've been looking for. A fully integrated video doorbell and smart lock in one convenient package. Think about that. I'm sure there's a lot of you that might have one or the other, or maybe two separate devices. But to have a secure smart lock with a super fast fingerprint sensor and a crisp, clear 2K resolution camera, all built into one convenient product, amazing. And if you don't know, Eufy is a part of Anchor Innovations, one of the leading and most trusted consumer electronics brands in the US. I see their products everywhere when I'm at major retailers. But one of my major issues, and why I hadn't gotten a product to date, is that my doorbell is wired to the side of the entryway, while my lock, of course, is straight on. So even with a traditional video doorbell, I would get a side view of people's head, and even if I could partially angle another device, I would still get a poor view of what's going on outside my home. So this new Eufy Smart Video Lock is absolutely perfect for my home. The product is pretty straightforward. You get the outside panel that has the 2K camera, doorbell, fingerprint reader, and keypad. And then the inside locking mechanism that holds a solid 10,000 milliamp battery pack that provides unmatched battery life. Besides that, you also get a second device that acts as both a doorbell chime and a home bridge with a micro SD slot for storing all the video clips with military-grade encryption. Then you have some basic mounting pieces and a spare keys that can still be used in case of emergencies. As someone who's done a lot of installing, I can tell you this thing is not hard to set up, which is great for anyone who wants to quickly and easily replace their old deadbolt with something that brings your home into the 21st century. First, you take off the old deadbolt by removing the faceplate and lock screws. Once you've done that, the old lock just comes right out. Then you slide in the new deadbolt from Eufy, which was a perfect fit. Next, you add the external panel, sending the wires under the deadbolt. The hole for our old lock was 1.5 inches, so I just removed the larger 2-inch piece that comes standard with the new Eufy lock. Very easy. Then you pop the back on and use the large screws that squeeze the door together, connect the wires, and throw the back plate on with the 3 small screws. Once the battery's charged, you add it to the back of the lock, put the cover plate on, and watch the video smart lock come to life. Make sure you take the plastic off so everyone can see how cool it looks. Once the lock is installed, you plug in the bridge with doorbell chime anywhere between the door lock and your Wi-Fi router. If you want to store the footage from the 2K camera, then you should get a micro SD card and insert it into the bridge. Having the local storage means no monthly fees are required to keep track of your video clips, since they're always right there, accessible at any time from the Eufy Security app or the SD card directly. Once you download the Eufy Security app from either the Android or the Apple Store, you can scan the QR codes on both devices, and it's a quick and easy setup. I have a beta version of the app, so it might look slightly different than yours, but just scroll through the product list and find the Video Smart Lock. You're actually prompted to scan the QR code for the bridge first, and then you add the actual door lock to the bridge, and you're off and running. The app will want you to calibrate the lock to make sure that it's going to work consistently, and then you're prompted to add security with both passcodes and fingerprints for anyone that you'd want to allow access. This is especially helpful for me because I have an editor working out of my studio here at the house, and setting him up with his own access allows him to come and go as needed and tracks and notifies when and who unlocks and locks the door. Of course, you can quiet certain notifications so you aren't bugged every time the door opens and closes. But the app can do much more. First, it fully integrates with both Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can get a live look at the front door from many different devices. It also has enhanced motion detection that can distinguish between humans and other animals to avoid recording all the stray cats or coyotes at night. Additionally, if you don't want motion from the neighbors across the street or a dog in the front yard from triggering notifications, you can also set the distance from which motion is to be detected. Then you can just get a notification and a video clip anytime an actual person comes to the door, even if they don't ring the bell, which is helpful to make sure any packages are safely delivered. And with the awesome Intercom feature, I can thank the delivery driver for dropping off my packages, or even better, with quick response feature, I can record and set up to 3 3 instant responses. Then when notified of activity, I can select one of the pre-recorded responses for a simple way to interact and give instructions. And if the kids forget their code, I can even have a little fun with them. Hey, go away, we don't want any.
We forgot the code. Can you let us in?
Thank you for the delivery.
Hey, let us in!
All right. One must-have feature for me is that I can schedule the door to automatically lock at night. So each night, the whole family can have that peace of mind at bedtime. But just in case you're like me and any noise outside at night gets you up and looking out the windows, now you can just check the app and get a live view with 2K camera and night vision to keep your anxiety to a minimum. This product really does have everything I could ask for from a video smart lock and more. I'm very happy that I have one device that can replace the deadbolt lock and the doorbell because of the awkward angle of my front door area, not to mention the convenience of the 2-in-1 product. And if you're remotely interested in getting a Eufy video smart lock, then you should head down to the description where there's a link to the Eufy Kickstarter campaign for this full kit, and you can get exclusive early bird pricing while supporting the product. Or if you're looking to get any other great smart home gadgets, you can check out their other products at eufylife.com. So what do you guys think? Are you as excited as me to get one of these video locks? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell, all that, and watch one of the install videos so you can be the installer.